Hello everyone, welcome. If you're new here, welcome to Let's Cook with Egg. Today I bring you this yummy, delicious fried rice with mixed vegetables, with prawns and yummy good stuff. Guys, this fried rice is super yummy. So if you do like it, please don't forget to give it a like, share with your friends and family because you never know who you can help. Subscribe if you haven't because I've got so many delicious recipes coming your way, and click on that bell so you don't miss anything out. Before I get started, I'd like to say a big thank you to Costack Spices for sponsoring today's video. If you'd like to know more, please watch the video to the end. Without further ado, so enjoy. So guys, here are the ingredients that I'm going to be using to make this delicious fried rice. I know it looks a bit too much, but trust me, I'm going to break it down for you. So right here, I've got a cup of easy cook rice, just under a cup of frozen mixed veg. Now this is the same cup that I used to measure the rice. I also have some frozen prawns, some salt, trust me guys, there is salt there. I've got some Scotch bonnet just to make it a little bit spicy, and this is optional, trust me, no pressure. I've got some vegetable oil here, chicken stock which I'm going to be using as a replacement for water. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. And I've got here a curry powder from Costack Spices. As I mentioned, the sponsor in today's video. All the details on where to purchase it are found in the description box below, and measurements will follow up throughout this video. So let's get started. Okay guys, so first thing first, before I cook my rice, I like to wash it. So what I basically do, transfer it into a sieve like this so it can be easy for me to just remove the starch. People still wash the rice, right? People still wash the rice. So just running some tap water. And when it gets right to the top, I'll then start to massage it like this. So this way it removes the starch that we don't want. And I do this method 3 times guys until the water is much clearer. I'm transferring it to my loyal pot. Guys, this pot literally doesn't let me down. It actually cooks my rice perfect. Bringing my pot to a hob. Then I'm adding 1.5 cup of the chicken stock. So as I said, I'm using the chicken stock as a replacement for water. Just adding a bit of salt to taste. Then turn on the heat on medium. So I'm going to cook it on medium heat. Close the lid. Then leave it to boil for 15 to 20 minutes until it's cooked. So while the rice is cooking, as I said, both of the mixed veg and prawns are frozen. So what I basically do is add a little bit of water into them. I'm going to microwave the mixed veg for 3 minutes and the prawns for 2 minutes. So when I mix it together with the rice, it's all nice. So guys, when they're out of the microwave, I'm just going to get rid of the water. I don't know why I feel a bit funny with the prawns. I know they're already clean, but I like to just clean them just a little bit. As you can see, not too much, because it doesn't really need much cleaning. The skin's already removed, but it's just a tail, but it's okay. So I'm going to leave this aside, just waiting for the rice to cook, and then I'm going to mix everything. Okay guys, so this is my favorite part. I kid you not, this is literally my favorite part. When you mix everything together, the aroma, the look is just amazing. I love it. So as you can see, I've got my wok heat. I've got it on medium to high heat. So I'm going to add a bit of vegetable oil. Add the quantity that you prefer, and just waiting for that to get hot. I'll then add the mixed vegetables and prawns, and add a bit of salt to taste, and mix it all well together. So guys, as I said, I warmed it up a bit in the microwave. This way it's easier, you don't have to cook it for long. It's already soft and it's not frozen. It's just on the good side. So I'm just mixing it all well together and letting that salt into the vegetables and the prawns. I'll then add some curry powder from Costack Spices. I've got the 5 grams one, but because I've got this open, I might as well use the 100 grams. So the curry powder comes in 5 grams, 100 grams and 250 grams. So right here I'm adding 1.5 teaspoons of curry powder. Trust me guys, a small amount goes a long way. For real, it goes a long way. So then I'm just mixing it all well together, letting it all mingle well together. Guys, this is a meal on its own, you know. It just looks so good. I can literally just have this for lunch, just like this for lunch. So I'm just mixing it all well together until the curry powder has blended well with the vegetables and prawns. So I'm now going to add the rice. Added in the rice. So right now I'm just mixing everything together until it's all blended and it shall be ready. So guys, now that everything's coming together, now I'm going to add Scotch bonnet. Listen, this is optional, you know, you don't have to. But I like to add a bit. That's what I like about this curry powder, is that it just mild, it's not strong, it's just mild. So this way it allows me to add my Scotch bonnet, which I love. So adding that in there. Alright, I'm going a bit crazy, so I'm going to stop. It won't be too spicy because I'm not adding the seeds as much. It's mostly the skin, so which is less spicier. So now we're back to mixing, stirring everything together, and this is looking done to me. This is done. And turn off the heat, et voila, this is done, guys. So easy, right? It's very easy, very quick. Guys, this smells so good. Seriously, I'll highly recommend you to save this into your playlist and have this for Christmas alongside other yummy dishes you will cook as well. This will go well with so many things like chicken, ribs, with plantain as well. This is just so perfect. So I recently served it with plantain and ribs. Oh my gosh guys, it was super yummy, like super yummy. And I actually think fried rice is my favorite rice, seriously. I don't know, what are you guys on? Like, I need you guys to let me know, are you team fried rice or are you team jollof rice? So these days I'm definitely feeling fried rice. Like, I love it. It's just amazing. And of course you get one of your favourite date with these vegetables. I just love it, and I'm sure kids is a great way to get kids eating vegetables. Obviously mine is the Scotch bonnet. I don't think a lot of kids will like that, but that is it for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video if you like it, comment, share with your friends and family, subscribe if you haven't, and click on that bell because I've got so many recipes coming your way, so you don't want to miss anything out. And again, thank you so much to Costack Spices for sponsoring today's video, and I'll speak to you guys on the next one. Bye bye.